Three, two, one. Hello, Tom.
Hello, Tata.
Yes. Are you ready? Let's
Yeah.
talk about duck's friend. What animal is this?
Duck.
Okay. Do you like ducks? Yes, I
I
do. Or no, I don't.
no, I do.
No, I don't. Okay. Look at the face of the duck. Is it happy or sad?
That.
Okay, it's sad. How about you? Are you happy or sad? I'm
That.
You're sad too. Because the duck wants a friend. Do you want a friend? Who is your friend, Tom? My friend is. Who is your friend? Huh? Harry or Andy?
Andy.
Okay, your friend is Andy. Now, the duck sees a.
Fish.
Okay, look at the fish. Is it happy or angry?
Hungry.
Okay. Does he want to play? Yes or no?
No.
No. And the duck says, fish, play with me, please. But the fish says,
No. No. No.
no, no, no. So the fish goes away. And then the duck sees a, what animal is this?
Wow.
A frog. Do you like frogs?
No, I do.
What sound does the
I
frog?
like fruit.
Okay. What sound does the frog says or say? Woof woof or ribbit ribbit?
Alright.
Ribbit? Is it ribbit? Okay. Now look at the frog's face. Is it happy or angry?
Hungry.
Oh, does he want to play with the dog?
No.
No. Okay, it doesn't want to play. Sorry. Next, let's go to the next page. So the frog goes away. And then here comes what animal is this? Is it a goose or a giant eagle? A goose? Okay, a goose. Is the goose bigger or smaller than the duck? Is it big or small?
Big.
It's very big. Do you like the goose?
I like.
Oh, you do not like it. Okay. Now, look at the goose. Look at the goose's face. Is it happy or sad?
Happy.
Happy. Does the goose want to be the duck's friend?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, I do. Look, what are they doing now? Are they playing or are they flying?
Flying.
Okay, do you want to play with them?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. And look, the duck has got a friend. And who is her friend? The the goose or the goose or the goose or the frog? The goose. And how about the duck? Is it happy or sad?
Happy.
It's happy. All right. Thank you so much, Tom. That's the end of the story. Can you say goodbye now? Bye-bye.
Bye.